Gratulăm să hai, activ și pe sistem.
Bizkaiara etorri danetik badira 2 urte, eta hasierarik Bizkaiko Foru Aldundiak festival honegaz bere konpromisoa adierazia izan dau. Gure identidadeagaz, gure nortasunagaz, gure lurraren balio eta kulturagaz hainbat egiten dauan mendi saletasunagaz bat egiten dugulako. Es un honor para la Diputación Foral de Vizcaya recibir en esta casa, en la Sala Recalde y en la Diputación y en Vizcaya, a las personas que me acompañan. Queremos que esta 6ª edición del Mendi Films Festival sea solo el 6º paso en una larguísima andadura, que se consolide como uno de los grandes, si no el más grande festival montañero a nivel europeo, y que gracias a ellos y a ellas podamos seguir conociendo la cultura montañera y la experiencia de tantos y tantos protagonistas que se juegan la vida, sobre todo por el amor a la montaña y por el amor a la naturaleza.
Poloniar mendizaletasunaren eta euskal mendizaletasunaren artean harremana 1980 urtean hasi zala esan dezakegu. Urte hartan Martin Zabaleta ailegatu zen Everesteko tontorrea, eta handik gutxira Kristo Belieski neguan egin zeban lehenengo igoera. Harremana sakona da arraskeroztik, eta espero dut hemendik aurrera harreman hori handiagoa izatea. En 1980 podemos decir que comenzó la que hoy en día se está convirtiendo en una estrechísima relación entre el alpinismo, el himalayismo vasco y el himalayismo polaco. En 1980 Martín Zabaleta llegaba al Everest.
Miniature version and excellent drawings, I think. And I think the idea is that it will appeal to several age groups, including young people. It's short, it's concise, it's picturesque, and most importantly, it tells stories of these great Polish climbers.
I would like to thank for the invitation. For us is the opportunity to be with the friends, because I don't know, maybe it's very strange because we have very good relation with Spanish and Basque people in the mountain. You know, the best relation is maybe, I don't know, but it's very easy to get relationship. So we had a lot of friends, especially in the mountain, you met them. Yeah? I mean, of course, I have the big respect to the Basque climbers like Zabaleta, like Juanito, Brazel, Orategi, Edurne. So a small community and big success.
My idea was a comic book. This is short story, color for I think for young generation, for young people, for maybe not for mountaineer, but for mountaineer fans. Thank you very much. It's a big pleasure for me and big surprise that this our works is in your language.
It's really impressive when I look at the program of Mendi Festival. It's wow, a lot of good climbers, so it is nice to, I like events like this because you can get inspirations from watching all the films, all these crazy climbs the people do. It is inspirational and you can meet all the friends.
When I do presentations here and in Poland and in Italy, for example, or in French, I saw many people comment, but in French and Italy, mostly people comment old age. Here is comment young age, also in Polish. Well, it's a great pleasure for me.